Hey everyone, take all your art materials because today tutorial is all about welcoming 2025 with this cute painting. So now let's get started. These are the art materials we are going to use in this beautiful painting. This is a beautiful artwork I painted a year back. To welcoming our 2025, I am going to paint on the same canvas. So first we are going to apply the color red in the center of the canvas. In the first step of this painting, we are going to paint this fog up glass window with the raindrops. So first we have to apply the color red in the center of the canvas and then we can add more colors. And you can see I am going to take the colors from the warm color family, and in this painting it will look very warm and beautiful because I really like to work with warm colors in this painting. And here I have taken the color orange and we are going to apply the color orange in the top of the canvas, and you can see a beautiful transition between the color red and orange in this painting. In the bottom of the canvas, we are going to make the red a little darker. So here we have the color black. So we have to add a pinch of black here and we are going to get a beautiful dark shade of red. And we are going to blend this dark shade of red with the red we have applied earlier in the center of the canvas. And now you can see a beautiful background for our painting. So now we are going to add some light effects, that is outside of the window. Here we have the color yellow and orange and we have to mix them to get a beautiful oranges yellow, and we are applying this color for the first step of this light effects. And here I am using my number 4 round brush to draw the small circles. Now it's time to load your brush with some yellow color and we are going to add some circles here, and especially in the place where we have applied the color orange and red, we are adding this yellow circles only in that place. And in the bottom of the canvas we can use the color red, and here I am using the primary red and I really like this color. Finally, let's mix some yellow and white to get a warm and light shade of yellow, and we are adding this color in the last step of this light effect. And now it's ready. Now we are going to paint some raindrops on the window. So we have to mix the color red, orange and a pinch of white, and here I am using my toothbrush to splash the colors, and we are going to splash the colors all over this canvas to get a beautiful raindrop effects in our painting. Once we finish this, now let's take a round brush. We are going to paint the raindrops running down this window glass. So first we have to start with the color yellow and we are adding some line using a round brush, and we are going to extend this line using the color oranges yellow. And you can see we just need to mix the color orange and yellow to get this oranges yellow. And furthermore we are going to extend this line using the color orange. And in this painting I'm not going to add more raindrops that is running down here, because I want the viewer's attention quickly fall into the handwritten 2025. That's why I am adding only a few raindrops that is running down in this glass window. We are going to extend this raindrop till this bottom of the canvas. So we are going to add the color red in the place where we have applied this dark shade of red. Now let's add the shadow for the raindrop. So here we have the color red and black and we are going to mix them to get a dark shade of red, and we are adding this dark shade of red for the raindrops or shadow. Adding the shadows for the raindrops are really easy and simple. All we need to do is take a small detailing brush or a round brush and we are going to add a line near to this raindrops like this. Now the shadow is ready. To add the highlights we can use the color white, but we are not going to use this white like we have used the color dark red. We need to apply them only in a few parts of the raindrops. Take some dark shade of red and we are adding some curves in the top of the canvas like this. This is the shadow of the raindrops. So first we are going to draw the shadow, then we will fill the colors, and then we are going to add some light value and highlights later. So in the bottom of the canvas we have to draw the curve like this, and then we are going to add more details here. Now it's time to add the base color for the raindrops. So here we have the color orange and we are adding the raindrops like this. Now let's mix the color orange and yellow to get this oranges yellow shade, and we are using this color for the light value in the raindrops and we are adding them here. Adding the shadows and the base color, also light value and highlight, will make a huge impact in our painting. That's why I'm adding them each and everything in my painting. I used to mess up with my raindrops painting till I watched too many tutorials and learned from them. After that, painting the raindrops became a piece of cake to me. So if you are interested in painting raindrops but you don't know how to start and where to start, then you can watch this painting. In this painting, I have given a step-by-step explanation to paint the raindrops on the glass window. So don't miss the painting to learn the secret about painting the raindrops. Finally, let's add the highlight using yellow, and we are adding the highlight in the light value part, also in the shadow part, and it will create a beautiful effect in our raindrops painting. And now you can see it looks really realistic. I really like the raindrops. If you are new here, consider this your official welcome. I am Rexana, an acrylic painting artist, and I am really passionate about sharing my painting techniques and tutorials with beginner artists. In this channel, you can expect easy to follow painting tutorials and techniques. And if you are really interested in my paintings and tutorial, then make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on my other social media platforms to know all the regular updates about my paintings. In the final step, we are adding the handwritten 2025. So here we need to mix the color red and black to get a dark shade of red, and we are adding the handwritten 2025. I always like to draw or write on a glass window full of fog, raindrops or dust. I really like them. If you also have the habit, then please let me know in the comment section. To make the painting even more interesting and beautiful, I am adding a heart shape here. If you are someone who is really interested in painting rain theme paintings, then you can watch this painting playlist. In this playlist, you can see different types of painting that is all about raindrops and rain theme. And in this painting, I have given step-by-step explanation how to paint the raindrops and the rainy atmosphere in these paintings. And if you are really interested to learn about raindrops and rainy theme painting, then don't miss this playlist. The painting hasn't finished yet. We need to add some raindrops in this 2025 and also in the heart shape. So we are going to repeat the same thing again. So first we need to take the color dark red and we are adding some small curves here. Then we can take the color orange and we are going to add the base color. Then we can add some highlight using the yellow. So first I am going to just add the base and I am going to let it dry. Then I can add the highlight in the raindrops. Using the yellow, I am adding the highlights here, and now you can see the painting looks really amazing. Finally, let's add few more raindrops on this glass window. So we need to add some small dots like this, and we need to add this dot here and there in this 2025. Now let's see the complete look of this painting. I really like this painting. Let me know your thoughts about this painting in the comment section, and I wish you everyone happy new year, and I will meet you guys with another beautiful painting with a step-by-step tutorial in my next video. Until then, have fun with colors.